MCA vaja county ya Meru batongeretwe ni deputy speaker wa county Asian newe Elias Murega bakere nandiki banteto mukawene jumoja mutindo jwa Kangangi ni barombete mutongeri omugongo newe Uhuru Kenyatta arikane orari mutongeri wa Ekroja county ya Meru newe Florence Kajuju na mwengo gitora ekite wirane
yo county ni akurutire ngwe kabisa, lakini tuguria bwana president kolwa ni mwari wetu nkadha yetu ya Meru Florence Kajuju urato kumenya rutete ngwi nyingi sana kiki amaka Jubilee na urato kumenya inyana risk rate kyawe nonto concentrate sana bwana president akiromba kura cia gite kya president ukaulwa ni mwari wetu no tuitu kuona aina kithomo utete amba kunenkerwa ara kurutira ngwi boya
ibega ki president wetu na tu appointele CS Bairi ende na tuongere Kajuju na itetenguge nene gikiama na naichumetie kutenawa atiganirwa rera kurari na campaigns tukuria president akorirwa ni Kajuju Florence na ntubangugera aitetendene ya Kenya kutetera kiama kya Jubilee
ukorerwi mheshimiwa Kajuju ora wari former women rep nonto no automated especially kurubara kuona barungia through affirmative city rai na twitter ngoge mono na kutonia ekuru babati kwetwa ben powered na ndekire dogeto na arua itokoromba president wetu na deputy mochwere nigite itwijite binge bitigi ogera nyombe baba nene na mono no toka yege karo akara kia mene mwanka ndeke mudiana na arua no Jubilee ne are arairia manto a Jubilee egitare onde nwe mtora tuije wije kiama kiawe ndene Meru every farm na te kwa mbaba na arua atakia mene kingi mwe nigite na tukagwerwa twe Meru na twe kuroba Meru na tuka support na Meru leaders
kuringana na MCA baba bariuga ati Kajuju na itetenguge ya kungana ya kurombera Uhuru Kenyatta kura na nikitumiba kumuromba amurikane.
We're here as leaders of Meru, thanking most sincerely the President and his deputy for finding it good to appoint two cabinet secretaries and PS and other leaders in his cabinet. However, even as we appreciate that, we want to emphasize that Honorable Florence Kajuju, who was our women rep in the last assembly, in the last parliament, qualifies to be appointed as a leader, and we are eagerly waiting for His Excellency's next move as he continues to constitute the remaining part of his government, so that Florence Kajuju doesn't miss out. She worked tirelessly here in Meru and elsewhere in this country for this government, and we want to remind the Excellency the President that Florence is valued heavily here in Meru and all over the country, and we would really appreciate if she would get a position in the coming days and weeks, so that we can all feel that we are properly represented in the government.
Also, I want just to remind the President that during the campaign he said that his house is too huge to accommodate almost everybody. And in that, remembering that the reason why he gathered here also, just to remind him, I know he is not a forgetful man. He is a president who has kept his words. So we are reminding him we have Florence Kajuju among other readers, and that we are here just for that brief reminder. Now you have always seen Kajuju was one of the key influencers and the key readers who campaigned for the president during the presidential campaign, the second loud.
Kiripotera Meru TV kuma mutindo jo Kangangi mbita MM Mwinda.